is the best way on how to change inverted colors display on your iPhone devices. So first up, what you need to do is just simply head over to your settings. So just like that, I'll just go to app library and search up settings. And once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is just simply swipe down a bit until you see the option of accessibility. It's right under general, so you just need to go ahead and press on it. And right over here inside accessibility, you'll see so many options, but you just gotta go ahead under the vision tab. You need to press on display and text size. So go ahead and press on that. Right over here, you'll see many options, but you just need to scroll down a bit until you see the option of classic invert. And here, as you can see, it says classic invert reverses the color of the display. So if you want to change that, just go ahead and press on that, and here you go. Now it's back to normal like that. But if you want to do the invert thing, just go ahead and turn it on, and here you go, it's back to invert. So yeah, this is exactly it. I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you soon.